The Meghalaya State BJP, under the leadership of its General Secretary Shillong City District, Rocky Hek, State BJYM Vice President SWAPAN Paul, and in the presence of other executive members of the Bjp Shillong City, had visited the 3 victims of Sunday's accident at SHANGBANGLA, BHOI. The accident victims include Kishore Kumar, Abhinash Prasanna and Santosh from Tamil Nadu, who are currently under treatment at Neigrihms Hospital, Shillong. In the meanwhile, the executive members of the Bjp Shillong City are also trying to arrange a special chopper to fly the victims from Upper Shillong to Guwahati on Wednesday, the 20th April 2022.
One is expired, huh?
Both. The
driver also is expired.
Driver also is expired, and my teammate is also expired.
What is your good name?
My name is Kishore Kumar.
The other?
Other name is one is Abhinash Krishnaji.
He is the one. The driver also.